Good evening, all of you. My name is Yogesh Wawar. First of all, I would like to thank both sirs, Mayur as well as Ashish sir, and of course, cherry on the cake, Kiran sir with us to have the question and answer session. My experience with the share market, I love to read so many things from newspaper. I love to follow different business channels, but I came the truth what is happening behind the scene. So it's like eye opener for me. Probably yes, the word which commonly being used as a right knowledge, I really understand what it means to be a right knowledge. So probably earlier, before attending this seminar, it's like a knowledge I have, but now after completion of this seminar or workshop, I would say I will follow the right knowledge path. So it's a wonderful experience, a very superb seminar, well delivered. Of course, I am following the articles of the Kiran sir in Sakar for last many years. With my experience before joining this seminar, like I started investing from last 6 months. Of course, I started with the trading. So I invested 1.5 lakh in a market. On day 3, I lost almost 25,000. Okay. So first 3 days I made a loss of 25,000, but of course I learned quickly. I said no more to trading. I started investing in different stocks based on the maybe suggestion from Kiran sir or from another technical analyst. But of course it is not like my input to that to choose that particular stock. It is based on somebody is giving the input. So right now, if I want to analyze that stocks, probably it will be a better opportunity after this workshop that I will be able to analyze my portfolio. Maybe if it is required, I will restructure it, and the patterns and the inputs that has been given in this workshop, I will follow for the next 1 year. Let us see. It is a fruitful experience after 1 year, and I will follow the discipline and consistency throughout this investing pattern in the share market. So it's a wonderful experience being a technical person. A technical analysis, of course, it's to work with the numbers, to work with the trends. It's a really wonderful experience, and I fully agree that fundamental but the difference of technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. I was earlier more concentrating on fundamental analysis, identifying EBIT and PBT and how the trends are going, how much sales. Now probably yes, I don't have to look after what is the name of the stock itself. What the chart tells is more important to me now. And yeah, of course the line which Kiran sir always talks about, the trend is a friend. Of course it will be in the future for all of us and for me also. I will only look after the trend, and I will try more interpretation, positive interpretations, different patterns and trends from the graph, and we'll move towards the prosperity. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to Precision Investment Services. Thank you.